This is a piece of land surrounded by water. We call it island. Island. So this is lake, this is island. Now, can you point?
Pakai ini ya?
Yeah.
Pakai tang. Kok ada yang buat gantungnya?
That's okay. Wait, now Mika, can you point to the lake? This one. Yes.
This
Can you? Very good. Can you point to the land? Can you point to the island? This one is the island.
This is what the island.
Yeah, this is a piece of land surrounded by water. This is a body of water surrounded by land. So, what is this? Island. What is this? Lake.
Lake.
Okay, now your turn. I'm going to throw this away here. Yes, I'll show you.
Okay. Sorry.
Yeah.
Kami lagi.
Now you can try.
Mati.
Now you can put. Very good. Now, so do you remember what is this?
Island.
Look at this one, eh? Lake.
Lake.
Okay. Now, when are you done? Yeah, you can, if you want to do with that one, I will help you. Here,
Apa?
you want to try to put it in the basket. In the bucket. Mhm. Yeah. Did it? You can try this one, and you can try this. Is it dry or wet?
Yeah.
Wet. Is it dry or wet?
Yeah.
Okay, you put them together. You want to do the other one or later? Okay.